So for my practice recording, I thought I would use this document I created for guidelines for online learning in the blue plan. As you can see, we're going to make the following guidelines for online learning. And we will post the week's assignments on Monday morning. We'll post the week's assignments for the week. That's redundant, so we will delete that. The schedule for that work needs to be due throughout the week. We need to post recordings of lessons of classes. There needs to be weekly, regularly scheduled Zoom meetings for each class. Strongly recommend the add-on extensions for Google Classroom. Edpuzzle, Flipgrid, Pear Deck for Google Slides, YouTube, Seesaw, that's only for K through 2, Capture, Screencastify, and Screencast-O-Matic. Please keep in mind best practices from Amy Fitzgerald about class casting. Short videos, less than 10 minutes is good, less than 6 minutes is better.